Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. I am not so good. I still have a cough from allergies. My sinuses, sometimes they, act up. Anyway, if you hear me speaking through my nose are blocked, don't think that I'm trying to create a fake accent. My nose, I just congested right now. But that won't stop the fun. I reacted to MoMolemi's Tswa's episode last time, and I realized there was an extra video. So here we are again. MoMolemi is like a legend in the Botswana version. I feel like Motswako music, people who follow that kind of genre, they know this guy because he's been there from day one, and he kind of left while he was still like at the top of his game. He just was like, I don't think this is for me, even though people are like, oh, this is for you, bro. But he's a farmer now. But he's back. He was back on Tswa and he made a little some. So we're checking it out. If you are here for the first time, did I already say that? Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Let's go.
Ke sa bale khale ke sa kwale ke bofe botalanyana ke tshube ke dibale ke latoletswe drama boy wa makeisane ka thubega ka selelo ga tlala beisane ke mo khathelelang botshelo ba motaki ha re bue ka re bana ba lelela tami.
And I feel like in this video, I confess I watched it. It was like a really beautiful, just like a letter to the artists in this Tswana space, because they know each other as rappers, Motswako artists, Motswako listers. And it was so good to see. MoMolemi is South African, but he is singing about an artist from Botswana who unfortunately lost his life at a very young age. And he was like one of the most promising artists to come out of Botswana in this genre, in this day and age. He was gonna be like the one that carries the torch to the next generation. So it was so sad that he sadly just passed away so young. So it's also so good to see that he was known in that space by legends,
Setšhaba sa re ke gore re tsuba motekwane ha rena boikarabelo bo ramathaitai mme ke rona re belegang setso media setlhare se se le fepang dijo motheo wa tshedimosetso lesedi le kitso.
Hey, I wish I can translate for you guys who don't speak Tswana, because he is saying a lot of things here that are so important. Okay, I'm gonna try to translate something that he said here that I'm like, wow, that is profound. Oh, he's saying like, as artists, let me take it back. Oh, I was telling myself, don't do this. So he's just basically saying, who's going to cry for the life of an artist? When we are talking, it's as if kids crying for a Tami, which is like a nesting bottle for the baby. When the baby is nesting. I'm actually using this one. I haven't called it Tami in a long time. It's a bottle when you give the baby a bottle, and the baby sometimes they cry for that. They want to. My son actually does that. So, man, it's just me translating this. It's like I'm taking away from the real message, So sadly, a lot of people don't understand Tswana. And saying the community say, it's because you guys smoke weed and you don't have responsibilities. You're just like, but he said, as artists, we are the ones who are reserving this the culture. We are the roots of the tree that gives you food. Isn't that profound? That is like a big deal. Like, even if you don't speak Tswana, it makes sense even in English. Like, we are the roots that provide the tree that you are getting food from. Man, I had that. I was like, wow, this guy is a legend for real. For real. Okay. Oh man, and they say like as artists, if our cries don't actually matter to you guys, but we are the ones that are providing all this entertainment, all this education, all this activism.
Like I lost Jabba twice. Instead of rap, all we do is plead and we fight for our dues, for our recognition, money and respect. And the government fuck us over too, it's a fact, it's a fact. Hey. We the downtrodden, we the last to be considered, we the third passenger. When the ride is two-seater, we the weak, we the...
Oof. Yeah, that does not need translation. I guess hope like he's talking about artists. It's like, you know, we are the third passenger in a two-seater. How uncomfortable is that? You ever sat in the middle? Oh, yeah, I'm just imagining.
The cheated, we the wounded, we the losers when the rent is due. We the ones with excuses. Farewell, Tuto, the best of us, Mutoko listers. In the after.
Yeah. Tuto is drama boy, his name was Tuto, so Mutoko Lister.
May you pop like a blister when we rap, we will always pour water, little liquor. Twist trees, watch them burn slow through the Rizla. Push us burning and a sahoka bucket the body.
And this is one of Drama Boy's like really chorus that brought people like to him. This was like how he got people's attention, you know. And to hear a legend singing those lyrics, it's just like it's so beautiful, man. I don't know. I'm just overjoyed for Drummer Boy, and I don't know what it means for the family. I don't know what it means for the music industry in Botswana, period. Like,
go ahead, do your thing, it's your own spane. Cause after the party, get my tare.
Hey. Yeah, like this song is only 2 minutes, but it carries the message of like a 6-minute long song, you know? So yeah, that was a beautiful one. Beautiful. I've been listening to that on repeat, actually, like so profound. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. If you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what song do you want me to react to, because yeah, I do need that help. If I don't get to your song, don't hold it against me. Like I said, I'm sick. See you guys on the other side.